Today I will show you how to install and set timestamp camera. Timestamp camera is great for taking photos with time, and it is great for keeping memories. Firstly, you go to Play Store and type timestamp camera free for on the search bar. I've already installed this one. It is the app from BindD. Okay, I will also show you icon. Okay, this is the icon for timestamp camera. You just open it, and this is the view for timestamp. And now you have to go to the icon like clock at the bottom for its setting. Firstly, you need to make off of this show map. If it is enabled, you disable this. You disable also altitude and speed and index number also. And if it is GPS on, make it non GPS. And for the date, go to the most at the bottom, most at the bottom. Go to the bottom and count for the fourth one. 1 2 3 4. This is one. It's my fav. It has shown date in brief, and it shows the days also. So it is showing Saturday. So take this and do OK. It is showing the GPS on. Make it off. GPS non GPS. Okay, now it's the date. If you want to extend date position, you can also make it just like bottom right, bottom center, and so on. I prefer bottom right. Just okay then. Okay friend, this much for today. See you later.